Hey, welcome back, kitty cats. It's me, the vegan kitty. I'm back today with Kitty's vegan snack reviews from Amazon and Aldi's. So we're just gonna get right to it, okay? First I have let me get the title right. This is from Ben & Jerry's. It's the Colin Kaepernick's Change the World non-dairy ice cream. It has caramel. It's caramel with fudge chips, graham cracker swirl, and chocolate cookie swirl. Can't wait to try that. So let me see. You know, I have to take my claws off. Okay, let me move those to the front there. That's where I use my claw to open that. Okay. Okay, and this is the Colin Kaepernick's Change the World non-dairy frozen dessert. Hope you guys can see the picture on there. There we go. Isn't that nice? Okay, that's how it looks. It's starting to melt a little. Oh my God, that's really good. Wow. Wow, okay, I'm gonna get one more dip and I'm gonna get out of here. This is really good. You can taste everything. Oh, there's a chocolate chip. I'm gonna show you guys this. There's a lot of goodness on that one. I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't see it. Let me get it before it falls. You can see in there now. That's really good. Okay. And next up I have, by the way, these came from Amazon ice creams. And then next up I have a chocolate ice cream. It's made with almond milk and it's by Earth Grown Vegan. Sorry about that. It's my phone ringing. Okay, come on, phone. I have gloves on. It won't stop. Okay, I'm going to take my glove off. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right. That was a reminder set for my sisters. Today is her birthday, and I did not want to forget to call and say happy birthday. So I set a reminder. Okay. It's chocolate. Wow, everything's happening behind the scenes. Something fell. That's good too. That's This is after tasting that Kaepernick one. This one, this tastes just okay. That one was really, really good. And it's Ben and Jerry's. Come on now. It's a Ben and Jerry product, so you know that it's. I'm making a mess here. Okay, next up we have. Okay, I'll go with the cookie first. I have a lot of stuff here. Okay, these are peanut butter filled cookies by Brenton's. And it's made with real cocoa. That's it. I guess in creamy peanut butter. Covered in rich fruit. I love chocolate peanut butter. Anything. Any and everything. I do. Oh, they're real soft too. I touched it, it's like real soft. You can see where it came off at. That's it. Really good. Mmm. That's really good. Ooh. Wow, that's really, really good. Alright. Only sweets, huh? Okay, then we have a cherry pie by Bake Shop Bakery. Cherry pie. Okay, I gotta get this thing open. Not to worry, I'm gonna work out right after this. I'm burning all this stuff off. Trust that. Trust. Guess I'm just gonna have just a slither of it. This one, a very small piece of it. I'm not gonna eat it all. That's how it looks. I'm gonna give it a try. That's pretty good. I'm not really a big cherry pie fan, but the Mass love cherry pie, so that's why we have it. And here, absolutely, oh my God, I made a mess here. I absolutely appreciate that. But it's pretty good. It's not bad at all. Just not a big fan of cherry pie. It's pretty good though. And then I have my Bake Shop Bakery. This is an apple pie, which I'm a big fan of. Okay, let me see. You know what? I'm not going to cut this one. I'm just going to take a piece off from the corner. That's all. Ooh, making a mess here. The crescents looks good. That's pretty good. You know, I need some nutmeg in there. It's just cinnamon. I can taste the cinnamon though. It's really good though. I like it. It's not bad at all. Nothing beats a homemade pie, that's for sure. But it's not bad if you just have a taste for a pie and you want to run out and grab one. This is pretty good. Alright guys, I'm making a big mess here. Okay, and I have one more item left. Ooh, I have a big cleanup here. Be like, Mask, I don't feel well. Can you clean up for me? Okay. Next I have pretzels filled with peanut butter by Clancy's. Let me get a couple out of here so you guys can see how they look. Okay. I know these are going to be good. I love peanut butter. Okay. That's what they look like. And so I'm going to... That's really good. I was going to bite into it and show it to you, but it like crumbled right in my mouth. I'm going to try one more and see if I can show you guys the inside of it. Okay. I'm not going to happen. Now, so you got fruits and vegetables and stuff. I know you guys want to see that. But good to get watermelon from them too. Okay. I'm making a little bit of water. Wow. Ooh. Just everything is just kind of crazy. I'm making a big mess here. Okay, that's not going in. It's too much ice. Okay guys, it concludes my review. Again, by Bake Shop, we have the apple pie and cherry pie. Have the apple pie, cherry pie. My Brinkman's have the peanut butter filled cookies. My Ben & Jerry's, we had the Colin Kaepernick Change the World non-dairy ice cream. My favorite. Then we have the Earth Grown Vegan. That was pretty good. Chocolate ice cream. I enjoyed that as well. And the Pretzel filled peanut butter by Clancy's. My favorite as well. So, I think they're all, like, I have really no complaints. Everything was good. I was pleased with everything that I sampled here today. I would buy it again, definitely. I would definitely buy it again. So, paw approval. Okay guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Over here, positive vibes. And until the next time, kitties. See you.